If you want a quick and easy way to mute and unmute yourself in Discord without digging through menus, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a Discord toggle mute button step by step so you can instantly silence your microphone with a single key press. This is perfect for gaming, meetings, study groups, or anytime you need fast control over your voice. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Discord tips and software guides. All right, let's get into it. First, open Discord and sign into your account. Once you're on the main Discord screen, look toward the bottom left corner where your username appears. Right next to your username, you'll see a little gear icon. That gear icon opens your user settings, so click it to continue. Inside user settings, scroll through the left-hand menu until you find Keybinds. This is where Discord lets you create custom keyboard shortcuts for different actions. Click on Keybinds, and then you'll see the option to add a new shortcut. Click Add a Keybind to create one. Now Discord will ask you to choose the action for that keybind. Under Action, select Toggle Mute. This is the important part because Toggle Mute means the same shortcut will switch your microphone on and off instead of only muting once. That makes it much faster and easier to use while you're talking, gaming, or streaming. After selecting Toggle Mute, click Record Keybind. Discord is now waiting for you to press the key or shortcut you want to use. Press the keyboard key combination you want for mute and unmute. For example, you might choose something easy to reach like a function key or a simple combination that won't interfere with your other apps or games. Try to pick something memorable, but also something you won't press by accident. Once you've pressed the shortcut you want, Discord should capture it automatically. If the recording keeps going, just click Stop Recording. At this point, your Toggle Mute keybind is saved and ready to use. You can test it right away by pressing the shortcut and watching to see if your microphone mutes and unmutes correctly. If it doesn't feel right, you can always go back and change it. Just return to the keybind section, click the shortcut, and record a new one that fits your setup better. It's a good idea to use a key you can reach easily during calls or matches, but one that is unlikely to conflict with anything else on your computer. And that's it. You've now set up a Discord toggle mute button. From now on, you can mute and unmute instantly with one simple shortcut, which makes your Discord experience much smoother and more convenient. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want more Discord setup guides.